What's up everyone? We're going to be doing a little sub install into a Honda Pilot for a friend. So we got our pre-built sub enclosure amplifier assemblies from Audison here. We're going to open it up and make sure everything's okay and see what we got ahead of us. Amplifier installation kit, so that'll have the RCAs and the fuses and the power and ground wires. We're more interested in these things. There is our owner's manual. Let's open up our sub box. Nice carpeted enclosure. Has all the settings, adjustability, fuse, input, high level, high pass, low pass. So this is all our amplifier controls over here. And then our power and ground hookup. Nice little piece. The other things that this comes with are little brackets to hold that securely onto the floor of the vehicle. We have our base control, so we can crank that up or down depending on how much thump you want. And then you have also a plug for not only your input signals, but also your power and ground cables. So this is really nice because you got your power and ground hookups over here, as well as signal wire to turn the thing on. So you just use a little set screw to go right into the cable, get that securely fastened, and then easy plug in right into that connector right there. Nice, secure, heavy, beautiful. So this is actually a downward facing subwoofer, and you pull these little plugs off the corners of the sub enclosure. They're just a Christmas tree push to plug the hole type of deal. And these legs go right into that point. Use an Allen key to screw into that. There's a threaded insert in there. And these are going to keep these off the floor of the vehicle. And the little Velcro inside the legs is going to keep it from sliding around. So the whole idea of using this instead of building a permanent sub enclosure into the vehicle is that it allows you to retain the flexibility of easily pulling these out of the vehicle if you need to actually use the SUV for hauling, right? So our buddy Geoff here, he uses this to haul around a go-kart for his son, and he wants some bump in the trunk, but he also would like to retain the usability and utility of the vehicle. So this arrangement is neat, tidy, and it allows very easy flexibility. So looking forward to getting this in and seeing how that actually hammers. There you go. So we'll have two of these on the floor behind the back seat. Nice, safe, sturdy. It's going to keep everything protected and allow that easy modular install and removal and retaining 100% of the utility of the vehicle.